Today I'm going to be looking at the options platform DOE, which comes from the Tastytrade team. Options can be incredibly complex or fairly straightforward. They can be risky, using large amounts of leverage, or they can be used to hedge investments and actually reduce risk. For the beginner, options can be intimidating, especially when one starts to dig deep into all of the types of complicated strategies that are available. Some of these strategies can be seen over here on the Tastytrade website. If you click on Learn and look down the list of options, you can see that there are lots of exotic sounding names, such as Iron Condor, Jade Lizard and Sunny Side Up. Some of these strategies are sophisticated and meant for experienced traders, but simple strategies such as the covered call are more accessible to beginners. Overall, the Tastytrade site is a vast resource of information for options traders, great for beginners and more advanced traders as well. The main problem though is that it's nearly all video content recorded directly from the Tastytrade daily TV show, and it can be quite time consuming to get to the good stuff. In my eyes, the Tastytrade TV show is probably best for having on in the background rather than something you want to sit down and focus on. DOE, on the other hand, has lots of very well made educational videos, and it doubles up as a trading platform too. So if you sign up and log into DOE, you get to the dashboard where you can see recent trades and start to follow other options traders. If you click into DOE.jo, you get to a whole series of courses designed to get you up to speed with options, and these are all well-made tutorials with interactive features and quizzes. And once you've completed the training, you receive a certificate, which can actually help you get your first brokerage account opened. Turning to the brokerage account, DOE links up with TD Ameritrade, and the trading platform is really useful, one of the best I've seen for options trading. Clicking on Trade brings up the platform. You can then bring up a stock and place your puts and calls in the market. The best part though is that you can load up ready-made options strategies so you don't have to spend too much effort working them out. So for example, click on Strategies, and in this instance I'm going to load up a long call vertical. So with a long call vertical, you're buying a call at strike price A and selling a call at strike price B. By doing so, you're making a bullish bet that the stock will end up higher than your strike price on the date of expiration. Because you're both buying and selling a call, you limit both your downside and upside on the trade. So this is useful when you think a stock will go up by a relatively small amount over a short time horizon. Using the DOE platform, it's easy to see how this works. By clicking on the green dollar sign, we can see the maximum profit we will make if the stock ends up above the strike price at expiration. And if we click on the red dollar sign, we can see the maximum loss if the stock finishes below our strike price. And you can move the puts and calls to alter the strategy as you see fit. The date of expiration is shown right above the curve, so here the expiry is in 16 days time. You can then increase the size of the bet and alter the expiration date using the options in the panel. Once you've found a bet you're happy with, you can then send that order straight to your account with TD Ameritrade.